Hello guys, and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD and gold. Quickly, what I'm anticipating for this week is quite simple. We've seen price retest this region previously. It's held as a good resistant region. 1.3450 region is also like a psychological level right now, so it's currently rejecting it, and my anticipation might be that we might break and probably retest 1.3582, or let's just call it 1.36, and possibly above. Or we might pull back and maybe even retest these regions of 1.3345. So what am I looking at? Let's put it this way. If I get a break of price above these regions at market open and it comes back to retest it properly, I'll take a buy around that region and target these regions of 1.35, 70, and possibly break in continuation. But we might reject these regions one more time. So that's like a 100 pips move, 34.70 to 35.70, something like that. And if price goes below these regions, I would like to see, this is holding off, might close as a double top, but I would like to see that neckline broken. Once the neckline is broken and I get that bearish movement, then we might reject retest here and possibly even come down below, depending. But I don't know if I'm going to trust sells because of this range. So I'll possibly be looking for buys, but sells, I would have to really see some good rejection patterns here. Okay, that's that for pound USD and gold. We've seen a consistent highs, higher lows here on the 4 hours time frame. My possible bet is that we might actually come back all the way to 5,000 region, or we might actually be forming a head and shoulder pattern around these regions here to continue to sell. So what am I looking for? I'd like to see price make new high possibly here, retest, and then I could buy possibly to 5,000. Otherwise, I'm looking to see price break this imperfect upward trend line and a retest of this region. Then we might start selling back to this region here and possibly there actually. So nothing much here on gold this week, but let's see what plays. Last week played out really nice. Anticipating a continuation, and let's see if that would happen. Let me just put this region here as a region I'm anticipating to be broken and retested for continuation to the upside. Otherwise, we'll sell. So that's that for this week. Let's see how price will play out. I'll see you guys for a recap during the weekend, and make sure you back some pick this week. Ciao.